Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to dominate TikTok for organic dropshipping success. Going viral is not a matter of luck, but a skill that can be honed. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Crafting the perfect idea. The foundation of a successful TikTok video lies in a captivating idea. Learn how to target a specific audience and create content that resonates. Step 2. Hooking your audience. Grabbing attention in the first few seconds is crucial. Discover techniques to stop viewers from scrolling and get them hooked. Step 3. Weaving a compelling story. Every great video has a story. Understand how to craft a narrative that guides your audience through the content. Step 4. Seamless transitions. Editing is key. Learn how to make transitions flow seamlessly, connecting clips and enhancing the overall viewing experience. Step 5. Choosing your style. Explore different filming styles, from POV to street interviews. Experiment to find the one that works best for your product. Step 6. Perfecting your background. Your setting matters. Discover how the right backdrop can elevate your video and create a visually appealing experience. Step 7. Elevating with sound. Audio is a powerful tool. Understand how to use sound effects, music, and dialogue to enhance engagement and captivate your audience. Step 8. Mastering equipment. You don't need fancy gear. Learn how to utilize your iPhone and optimize lighting for a professional quality video. Step 9. Niche targeting for virality. It's not about views. It's about going viral within the right audience. Focus on specific niches to maximize your organic reach. Step 10. Learning from competitors. Study what works. Analyze your competitors' videos to gain insights and understand the elements that lead to viral success. Step 11. Background ideas for variety. Diversify your content by exploring different filming locations. We provide a list of backgrounds to keep your videos fresh and engaging. Now equipped with these steps, you're ready to conquer TikTok for organic dropshipping success. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert insights and strategies.